babies, welcome back to the dollhouse. My name is Caitlin. Nice to meet you. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe to join the dollhouse. Okay, so you clicked on this video today. By the title, I will be doing a how to apply false lashes for beginners. As you can see, my lashes are applied. So if you're interested in this tutorial, then let's waste no more time. Let's get right on into the video. And reuse your lashes, okay? So basically, you can either soak them in micellar, I think that's how you say it. You can soak them in micellar water, or you can gently tug at them gently, because I've done this a few times and like my lash would rip. So gently pull, and as you can tell, the glue is coming right off the lash. Okay, so you have your lash, the glue of your preferred, and you want to apply a thin, very thin layer of glue on your lash band. And I always put a little bit of extra on the ends to make sure it's a secure hold on the ends and in the middle. You want to let it dry for a little bit. Okay, so now that your lash has got tacky, you want to take your tweezers, you want to nail your head up like you're looking up, and you want to get as close to your lash line as possible, still by looking up or tilting your head back. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, and you want to press the middle down. Come over here to your side. I'm gonna need it back. Want you to come and find me. Just tell me. Press your sides down. Then I use my other hand and I wiggle and press. So basically you just want to take your tweezers or your fingers and you want to wiggle and press, wiggle and press. Make sure your lash is down and secured like so. So I hope that was very self-explanatory, and I hope you guys were able to see what I've done. So get your lash, your tweezer, apply a thin layer of glue, let it get tacky, hold your head back, apply your lash. That simple. Okay, doll babies, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment down below for me, and last but not least, hit that red button and subscribe. You took a tour through the dollhouse. I hope you enjoyed it. Come on and join the family. Hit that red button. Let's go on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.